तो चलो अब हम लोग पढ़ते हैं द वैराइटीज प्रेजेंट इन नॉर्दर्न एंड नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न माउंटेन. सो द कश्मीर एंड नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न हिमालयाज. So if we see in the map, it has various ranges like Karakoram, Ladakh, Jaskar, Pir Panjal, so in this one, the first one, it has various ranges. For example, Karakoram, Ladakh, Jaskar, Pir Panjal. So the Ladakh, basically it's a cold desert situated between Karakoram and Greater Himalaya ranges. It's a cold desert between Karakoram range and Greater Himalaya mountain. Similarly, we have Dal Lake, which is situated between Pir Panjal and Greater Himalaya mountain. So other than Dal Lake, we have Wular Lake also. These Dal and Wular lakes are freshwater lakes, and other than that, we have lakes like Pangangso and Somoriri. These two are salt water lakes. So it has freshwater lakes like Dal and Wular, and salt water lakes like Pangangso and Somoriri. These Kashmir Himalayas are also famous for the formation of Kareva. Kareva is basically the thick deposit of glacial clay. And these Kareva are used for the cultivation of saffron. So if we write the fourth point in that, so these are famous for Kareva formation. Formation used for cultivation of saffron. And this area is drained basically with the river called Indus, and it has got tributaries like Jhelum and Chenab. These rivers flow in this region. So we can write in that fifth point that the area is drained by Indus and its tributaries Jhelum and Chenab, and here various pilgrimage places are also there. So that one we can write like pilgrimage places like Vaishno Devi, Amarnath Cave, and Charare Sharif. So these pilgrimages creates a lot of attraction for the tourist. So this is all about the Kashmir and northern Himalayas, and now let's move to Himachal and Uttaranchal Himalayas. That's the second division of northern and northeastern Himalayas. The Himachal and Uttaranchal Himalayas lies between the Indus and Ganga tributaries. So first point is that it lies between Indus and whose tributary is Ravi, and Ganga, which tributary is Ghagra. And second point in that, so if you see in that map, something like, so this area basically is Himachal and Uttaranchal Himalayas and lies between Ravi and Ghagra tributary. So this area is basically drained by the Indus and Ganga. So area is drained by Ganga and Indus tributaries. The British, they were attracted by this place, and they created various hill stations like, so British developed various hill stations. Britishers developed various hill stations like Dharamsala, Mussoorie, Shimla, and many more. And similarly, health resorts, let's write it above, and health resorts like Shimla, Kasauli, that's a bit. Almora, Ranikhet. Here, it was the third point. And fourth one, this area is inhabited by Bhotia's tribe. And the last one is about pilgrimage places. So similar to the Kashmir and northwestern Himalayas, in Himachal and Uttaranchal Himalayas also we have different pilgrimage places like Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath, Badrinath, other. So with this we have finished Kashmir and northwestern Himalayas and Himachal and Uttaranchal Himalayas. So now we will move to other divisions, Darjeeling and Sikkim Himalayas, Arunachal Himalayas, and north and eastern hills and mountains. So we will go to with that also. Stop.